mister. Good morning. Hey. Connor. Hi. Are you okay? Are you okay? Hi. Oh. Yeah. You're looking very stylish.
Thanks, Mom styled me this morning.
Mm-hmm. Or did she, or was it all you?
Mm-hmm.
Was it all you? Wait. What's up, buddy? Keep up that drool. You okay, buddy? Whoa. Falling over. It's okay. There you go. You're good. Yeah. Tell the world what's wrong. You seem to be falling this way. Hold on. There you go. Good stuff, buddy. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt. Yeah. We didn't really do anything yesterday anyway, so. Yeah. Yes. Tell them. Tell them what's wrong. Do you hear that? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. There's Cheryl and Connor. There's me. It's a lovely, lovely sunny day.
It was.
Look at all that sun.
It wasn't supposed to rain. It was supposed to be like not too hot.
Hold on, it's windy.
It wasn't supposed to rain. It wasn't supposed to be hot. So I was like, let's go do something because your holidays are almost over. I don't care what it is. Let's go do something. And then now it's like this. And we still don't know where we're going. But we're out walking and getting exercise. We both need more exercise in our lives.
We're looking at shoes again. Well, not really shoes. Looking for sandals.
Looking for sandals because
Sandals?
I only have flip-flops and I shouldn't even really wear them because they have no support. So.
Were you looking for something around the house, or were you looking for something
No, to wear out.
out? Oh, okay.
I want something that if we decide to go for dinner or church, I don't have to wear running shoes. That's all I have anymore. It's just running shoes and like one pair of high heels, which I'm not gonna wear anyway. So I just want a nice like sandal for the summer, but I'm having zero luck.
Do you work here? What happens?
Oh, flip up.
Cheryl is a little destructive. Jeez. What are you doing?
It told me to flip up for price.
Oh, okay.
And I thought they meant this thing. So I flipped this bit.
You should be happy you're asleep right now.
They meant this. Flip that.
Nope. Buddy. Make sure I give this up. Oh.
I bought him new socks. His are getting too small for him.
You see him? He was like, whoa. Hold on.
What is happening?
Pretty much. You okay, buddy?
These fit
He's
you
fine.
much better. They fit you much better than the other ones. The other ones, the heel is like halfway up his foot.
There you go. Yay.
Now
Buddy,
I've
new
got
socks.
little loafers. Shoes without shoes.
Oh, he is
Stirring.
Stirring. You're wondering what's happening.
Shoe change.
Connor's eating a ball. Good stuff. Cheryl is eating a re-stick. Good stuff.
Dessert.
We had pizza and shawarma poutine.
Shawarma poutine.
Different. If you've never had it, you should try it. It's very good. And don't be a wuss. Get all the things.
Sauces.
Yeah.
I know
put
one's
everything
garlic and one's sriracha. I don't know what the third mystery
Yeah.
one
It's good though. I opted to get water
is. For our walk.
for the walk. Just because Cheryl says it's like a half-hour walk. And I don't want to be like, I'm thirsty. So, got water.
Good call.
Yeah.
Oh, it's starting to rain on us.
Yeah.
Which sucks, but
Whatever. Right hand. Yeah. It's very windy. You can't hear us. Cheryl wants to buy the church.
yeah. We could turn it into our house. Church house.
Is that where you want to live, Connor? In the church?
He's like, I don't care, I got my ball.
Got your ball?
You got your ball?
Oh, windy. Nice hair.
Pink.
Cheryl is deciding to go through this way. And through the field part for Connor.
I want
show
to
off.
see my grade school is being like renovated.
Yeah.
You ever like see something
Yeah.
and you remember it being so much taller and bigger? Like these. These felt ginormous when we were kids because the goal was to work together and get on top here before the teacher saw you. I always helped on the bottom because I was afraid to climb up, but they used to feel so much bigger.
Did you sit on that thing?
Yeah, man, we played baseball,
Basket baseball?
basketball,
Bass baseball?
basketball. Ah, what are those? Is that for like?
I don't know. What's what? Those things? Poles? Those things? I don't know. Tetherball?
Tetherball, maybe? Yeah. Those, that,
Or volleyball?
oh, maybe. That,
Tether volley?
that used to be another baseball diamond when I was here.
RTC bins.
Wow.
Wow.
Holy
Look at them bins.
Oh my god.
Oh, is that what you're wowing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wow. It's so big now. It's like huge addition.
Connor, what do you think about that?
Huh? Jim?
Wow.
He's like, I got my ball. Fun fact, we were playing on this hill. Well, it's not really fun, but we were playing on this hill, and my kindergarten teacher was playing jump rope with us, and her heel got stuck and she broke her ankle. Truth. These trees were also not here when I was in grade school.
Connor, look, trees. Trees.
These are at least 16 years old.
16-year-old trees.
The only tree that was here was that big one over there.
No tree.
Wow, it's so big. Where's the
It's so big.
basketball and the four square is all gone now?
Where's the basketball?
Because that was all right there.
Right there. There.
Huh.
Somewhere.
There were also no portables when I went here. Actually, I think in my last year there were. This
Alright.
is weird. It's very weird.
I don't know where you're taking us. Alright, you're taking us to
My parents' house.
I know where you're taking
Oh.
us. How you're taking us
Oh, there's a.
through here. Hopefully.
Where?
Hopefully.
I used to take it every day.
Every day.
Every day.
What if it's not there and it's blocked by the construction gates?
It is, because the girl came.
Okay. Hopefully.
Dad, hi, Dad.
Is that our exit?
Yeah.
Nice.
See?
Cheryl, don't go in.
I'm not going in.
Don't go
I'm
in.
looking.
You have to use the main entrance. Students are not to open this door for a parent or visitor at any time. Don't open it. Don't you dare open it.
I'm not gonna open it. The school's closed.
Don't open it.
Look.
The sign says not to do that.
I'm not.
Don't.
I'm not going in. Just look through the glass. That's my grade school. Yay. My grade 8 class. No, my grade 7 class was this first classroom on the left, and my grade 8 class was the one beside it, to the on that side. This is where we used to have to line up. One class had a line up here. The other class had a line up here. Grade 7s had a line up there. And the grade 8s had a line up over there. Just like along the... Yeah. Good times.
Are you excited, Connor?
He's like, I don't know what you're talking about.
Alright, let's escape. Yay! So, Cheryl had the genius idea for the basketball to be this red sort of organization. And it was. Mm-hmm. On top of that, we found a bunch of like old stuff that yes, wanted. So, it's mine now. Including some older pictures of myself. So, we're going to work backwards in time.
Yes.
Okay? Here we go. So, yes, this will be very embarrassing. Grade 12.